and if you're new, my name's Katrina. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create and style baby hairs. Really simple, really easy, using a lot of things that you probably have already. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So if you want to see how I style my baby hairs, keep watching. Excuse how I sound because I'm getting over being sick. Obviously, there's a lot of different products you could use. I like to use this is the Ampro Pro Style Gel. I know a lot of people use like the Eco, I think it's like Eco Gel. There's a bunch of different things to use. I like to use this because it gives a nice like shine, and like it's like a medium hold to your hair. It doesn't get flaky, it doesn't get crusty, you don't have to wash your hair the next day, and it's alcohol free. And then to actually, you know, lay your baby hairs down, I like to use a toothbrush. I know some people use either like a comb or a toothbrush, and normally you can kind of go like this and bring down your baby hairs. I don't have any, like, I don't know, I just never had baby hairs like that. I don't know why, I just didn't. So what you can do to kind of create, and this is optional, and you know, please be careful when you're doing this, but I'm going to show you one thing you can do to kind of like create baby hairs. Take a comb like this. You want something with it, or just anything, just something with like a really skinny end. You want to go through your hairline and just kind of bring out little pieces. So you want it to look like this. You want very like thin pieces of hair. You don't want to see like a huge, you know, strand of hair. Very like tiny thin pieces. Now the next thing you want to do is get some scissors, and we're gonna cut. It doesn't have to be like, you know, professional shears, just whatever. These I got from Sally's a long time ago, but whatever you have. I'm gonna take the pieces and I'm gonna start by cutting this much. So I'm bringing them like eyebrow level, I guess. Okay. And these, I'm just gonna cut these just a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna try to match them. So now we are gonna like actually style them. I'm gonna dip the toothbrush into the gel. I'm just gonna start by brushing them down. Some people like to do like the swirls, but I kind of like to just I like to just brush it down. This definitely takes a couple tries, and you could definitely be sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to perfect it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the same gel and pull all this other hair back. And this is the finished look. This is how I like to do it. Again, I keep them pretty long. I like cutting them also because those are usually the hairs that kind of stick up anyway. So if I can kind of lay them down like this, then you know, it's better than having them stick up. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think. I just wanted to show you guys an easy way to create, you know, kind of baby hairs or edges, whatever you want to call it, if you don't have any like me. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.